I think plus itu, dia ada assembly dengan rancang, commotion dengan apa kan dong alis bila social government nak party and all party meeting yang ada menyekret di roster for us we don't need to discuss the roster, you know what is roster. Bagi don't come, tolong Pak, strictly we want to discuss on this issue. Katahi kita lagi kuat ini kasi tolong madam review the resolution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him, Suko. Very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then you say first thing you'll have a trend bar. At least the ratio should have been proportionate. Of population structure.
I will look at all your
yes. The government was it has to be official. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write?
No. Better you write. I cannot simply take it like this. No? Official, it has to be official. It has to be in black and white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. Official, it has to be official. It has to be in black and white.
That? What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. How the government looks at this agitation. No. I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the resolution policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on resolution policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you, but I want you to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue.
Why people
No.
We need you.
Yes,
you are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about Nimla but there's some of course.
Yes. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the House. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the House. We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody, they are looking at us now. We just kind of
democracy dihapkan dengan bikin numbers.
No.
Even
without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentahkan सरकार the shooting number of it. The issue keep along.
Tingnan ang kung apakah demokrasi kaya kita.
No. This is not
democracy kaya kita. Iba na ang private members.
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the House. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy.